Hi there, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change your subscription, update your billing information, and download any invoices that you might need. So once you're logged into YouCanBookMe, click on the top right-hand corner. This is either going to show this green smiley face or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on Plan and Billing. Here you're going to see a quick little snapshot of your account in case you want to just see where things are at, such as the number of team members that you have active, number of booking pages, and number of calendars connected. We're going to click Manage Your Plan and Payments and see if we want to update our plan as our starting point. It is going to redirect us here to Stripe, which is totally normal. And then it's going to show you your current plan as well as your options. So here we've got, sorry, a little pop-up there. Here we've got it showing that I'm currently on the professional plan. I want all those extra features like Zapier integrations that are important to me. However, maybe I want to check out the TM subscription. Maybe my company is growing and I want to add more people. I can hit select. I can also change how often do I want to pay. Obviously, the longer period you go with, the cheaper it's going to be for you. So if you go with the 2-year, it's going to be the cheapest option for you. I like to save money. I'm going to stick with every 2-year. And maybe I want to check out individual, see what that's like. Cool. So I'm going to select the subscription that I would like to utilize. It's going to confirm it here at the bottom. And I'm just going to hit continue. It's not going to charge your card right away. You have time to confirm everything, so don't stress it. What it's going to do is let you know, hey, I've already paid my subscription up until July of 2027. So it physically isn't going to move anything until then. It's already paid for. It's done. So it's saying that starting in July of 2027, it will move me to the individual plan. This will be the cost, and this will be the credit card that it's going to charge. Fabulous. I can hit confirm. I can add a promotional code if I've got one. We love a coupon code in my life. Or we can go back if we want to make changes. No big deal. Let's go back because I need to keep my professional plan intact. It's key to my professional life. But let's say I need to update my credit card or my billing information. Let's go back to YouCanBookMe using this little arrow here. Let's look at billing details. That makes sense, right? So again, it's going to pop you over to Stripe because that is where the billing lives. You can hit this update subscription button and it'll take you back to that updating subscription page that we were just on. So there's multiple ways to get there, but I showed you the quickest. Right now it's showing that I am paying with a Visa ending in 4242. I need to add a payment method. All I have to do is hit add payment method. Really self-explanatory, right? Add in all of your relevant credit card details. Sorry guys, I'm not sharing my credit card here on the internet. I think you can understand why. But type in your credit card details, hit add, and then go back here to your main page and you could get rid of your old payment method. You need to add a new payment method before you're able to delete your old one. As you can see here, I can't kill off 4242 unless I have a new credit card installed, but we're not going to do that on YouTube because my IT team would lose their mind if I shared my credit cards on the internet. Let's carry on. If I need to update my billing information, you can do it here. So right now we've got a lovely little billing address here, name, etc. My name's not Kate. What the heck? Let's change it to Becca. It's that easy to update your billing information, guys. If you move house, change your email address, change your phone number, whatever you want to do, just go in there. Super duper easy. So we'll let that save. And then finally, invoicing history. This one is important. So I only have one invoice here. If you have more than one invoice, there will be a whole list of them populated there for you to use. So if I want to check out this invoice, I just have to click on it. It's going to load for me. There we go. This invoice was paid. It was paid on July 18th on Visa 4242. I have my invoice number. I can from here download my invoice or download my receipt. So super duper handy here because if your accounting department's like, where's that receipt again? You can get it here, no problem whatsoever. So that is how you change a package, update your billing information, and view all of your invoices. If you have any questions whatsoever at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support department. We are more than happy to help you out. And we're here if you have any other questions as well. Thank you so much.